Okay, so I'm going to solve number 20, which is a problem on limiting reactant. And a good indicator that it's a limiting reactant problem is that you have two givens. Look, this is G1 and this is G2. Okay? Your required for both is moles of water. So moles of water is the required, but there are two different given. So you need two different given here. So this one is, if we use as our basis 0.100 mole of barium hydroxide or 2.5 mole of that's not 2.5, it's 0.25. 25, okay? Sorry about that. All right, so again, same required. We're going to solve this simultaneously so you can see the difference. In A, moles of water based on barium hydroxide. In B, moles of water based on 0.25, right, moles of chloric acid. And again, we have two different chemical factors, and that's based on this. So this is your R. This one is G1. This one is G2. Okay? So here, we're going to write, copy that. For the first one, it's A. So 2 moles of water is produced for every 1 mole of barium hydroxide. Okay? Cancel, cancel. Now look, moles of water, so that's already the answer. And if you compute that, you're going to get, let me see, 0.02 moles of H2O. Okay? So for this one, we're going to use that. So 2 moles of water for every 2 moles of CHCl2. And so the answer here is 0.25 moles of water. So again, you have two answers. Which one is the correct answer? Whichever is less. So this is less. This is your correct answer. Check. This one is the wrong calculation, and you have to do that to show that it's wrong. And so the answer here is 0.200 moles of H2O. And the question is, if you had to solve for the excess reactant. So again, here's how you solve for the excess reactant. You base it now on that one. And then you use the chemical factor that you need, which is, looking at the equation, for every 1 mole of barium hydroxide, you need 2 moles of chloric acid. Okay? Cancel. And so the answer here is 0.200 moles of chloric acid. Okay, we started with 0.250 moles of chloric acid. Okay, don't see that. That is up here, right? So we started with this, we used up this much, and so the excess is 0.50 moles of chloric acid. Now you're not required to solve this, but in case you did, that's what you do. You have this one, it's excess, and so how much is left over? What you started with, what you used up, whatever is left, that's the excess, right?